What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. Today I will be walking you through level 21 on the Fabric Box. Now if you did need help on any other levels in the Fabric Box or in the Cut the Rope game in general, I am walking through every single level with a 3-star rating, so if you needed help on any of those levels, check the playlist link at the top of my description and you can see whatever level you need, click on it and see what you need to do to get the 3 stars. It's super helpful. But as of today, we are doing level 21, so let me just hop into there and I will show you exactly what you need to do to complete this level and achieve your 3-star rating. So you got 4 kind of stretched out ropes here. You're going to cut the 2 to the left, cut the top one there. It's going to swing around to get the 2 stars, swing to finally get that 3rd star, and then eventually when the cupcake is parallel with Omnom's mouth, you're going to cut the rope and the bubble is going to rise up and fall right into his mouth. Nice and quick and easy, giving you that 3-star rating and the complete level. Like I said, if you needed help on any other levels, check that playlist linked at the top of the description. It'll have a full playlist with all the levels you need. Other than that though, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.